Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here, and I just wanted to let you know I picked up the Moto G Power 5G 2023.
Let's do this!
So, you all know I have the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the Galaxy Z Flip 4, the Pixel 7, etc. So why all of a sudden a budget phone? So while we unbox this thing quickly, thought some of my subscribers are going to want to see more of a budget phone, something more affordable than all the flagships. I keep hearing good things about the Moto G Power, and it's been, I think this is the 4th edition since 2020, so I thought, let me go take a look at this myself and see if my subscribers like it. So there's the phone, put it aside for now. The usual paperwork, of course. And we have our SIM tool and our connector and our power brick. That's it for what's in the box. I was hoping maybe there'd be a case, but no. So of course in the next few days you can expect a case video. So here's the phone in bright white. It also comes in mineral black. 50 megapixel main camera with a 2 megapixel macro. No OIS, but gyro EIS on the back camera. A 16 megapixel front shooter. 1080p video front and back. 6 gigabytes of RAM, 256 of storage. We've got our power key, which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor, and our volume up and down key on the right. Up top, a microphone, and on the left side, our SIM tray. On the bottom, a headphone jack in this day and age, along with a microphone, power in, and speaker. So I'm going to power it on for the first time. And I'll get this booted up and come back to you. So here we are, fully booted up, and it's got a display of 1080p by 2400. Seems nice and snappy at the moment. A fingerprint sensor works very quickly and very well. I haven't set face unlock up yet, but it's there. You'll be seeing that. So that's my quick unboxing and first look around of the Moto G Power 5G 2023. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching, and let's always remember we all do better when we love each other.